Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how you can create a grading system in your Google Classroom. So let's start here and click on the apps menu. We're going to go into Classroom and click on the class that you have active. This is my demo class, so I'm going to show you by clicking here on the top menu, grades. So I'm going to now set up my grading system by going into settings. I can change information here if I want to. I have that option. I have more options here to work with. And basically, I'm going to show you how you can create a system where you can calculate Google will calculate the grades based on total points or weighted by the category. You can play around with those and see which one you like for your students. You also have the option to show your students the score or not show them the score. Um, let's select here and then I get that. So basically, until you select a category from here, you will not be able to click activate this link. So this stays like this until you select the category. So I selected total points and I'm going to activate this link. It is now active and I have my categories here if you want to add a category. And basically after all of this is done, we can call this English and save it. Once you fill in the categories, you are now ready to go in back into grades and see how you have set it up. Oh, so basically because this is my demo class and I still don't have students yet, I can't see how my grade is set up, but hopefully I'm going to try to see if I can get some students in my demo class and then I will show you how it looks after you have created your grading categories. So I hope this video was helpful in reference to setting up your grading categories. I will see you next time. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.